In this tutorial, I'm going to review how to convert tables into HTML web content. In front of me, I have a Microsoft Word document that has to be converted into web content. If I go to my website, you can see that I've converted most of this content into web format already. But if I scroll down in my Word document, you're going to see a couple of tables. So this table we need to convert to an HTML table for web content. To do that, first step is to copy this whole table. Since it's not in Excel currently, we need to put it in Excel. We can actually copy this. I'm going to copy this onto my clipboard. Now I'm going to go to Excel and just open a new worksheet. And now I can simply paste what I copied from Word. Now I have this information in my Excel table. Now I'll take this information, I'm going to copy it. I'm actually not going to copy this header because we can put that as text directly into the website, but I'm going to copy the actual table information. So I'm going to highlight my table and I'm going to copy that to my clipboard. Now I'm going to go to our HTML or our Excel to HTML table converter. I can simply now paste the contents that I copied from Excel. And if I scroll down, you can see there's a place for a caption. I'm going to go back to my table, and that's where I'm going to get this header row. I'm going to copy this text. Now back to my Excel to HTML converter. I'm going to paste that into the caption. Now we're all set. Now I'm going to click the convert button. Once I click convert, at the bottom you can see it gave us our HTML code. I'm going to select all of that, copy that to my clipboard. And now I'm going to go back to my website where I'm adding this new publication. So on our web content, right here is where that table needs to go, underneath this table 2 paragraph. So I'm going to edit this page. I'm going to scroll down to where I need to insert my table. And the first thing I'm going to do is actually insert a header here. I'm going to make that a proper subheading in this case because it falls underneath this heading. I have 2 subheadings for total economic impact. There's a table I already added. Now I'm going to do economic impact by sector. Here's where it talks about table 2. I'm going to hit enter, and right here is where I want to put that table. To insert the table, I copied the HTML already to my clipboard. Now I'm going to click the insert external link icon, the globe, and instead of inserting a link, I want to click this embed external object. When I click that, right here's where I can add my HTML code. Now I'm going to paste from my clipboard. HTML goes in, I click OK, and now I can see that table has been inserted into my page. I notice there's a blank line here at the bottom. I'm going to simply hit delete and get rid of that. Make sure that's my proper heading. And now that table is inserted into our page. Save it at the bottom.